Hello guys, in this video we're going to see how to share a web page link or website link externally on your Microsoft Edge browser. So whenever you read through any articles or anything that you liked and you wanted to share with your friends, so what you can do is you can just go access that page or article, whatever you want, and then tap on this share icon at the bottom, and this will give you all the mediums that you currently your phone is having, and you can just go and tap on the medium. Say suppose if you want to change it to, if you want to send it via LinkedIn or messages or WhatsApp or whatever, you can just go select it and you can send it through. So this is the easiest way to send the web page article link to your friends via any medium. I hope this helps. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Thanks guys, cheers, have a great day.